So after getting the consistency that we needed, we are going to add our coriander leaf by leaf. Don't add the whole stalk. So you're just going to use your hands, your clean hands. Then zimeoshwa na zikasanitiziwa. Hello everybody and welcome back to Mackenzie's Kitchen. I hope that you are well, you are keeping safe, umelindwa na Mungu na uko poa. So it's yet another day that I have a very interesting recipe for you. Today we are going to make Viazi Karai. I hope that you are going to like it. You are going to love it. You are going to enjoy it. You are going to try and make yours at home. So karibu sana. Let us go straight to our ingredients. And this is what we need to make our Viazi Karai. We need viazi. We need coriander. We need wheat flour. We need turmeric. And we need some salt. We also need some cooking oil. So yetu iko hapa iko tayari. It is already in the pan. Due to the cold season, it is oil, it is not fat, but due to the cold season, inashikana. So we shall start by boiling our potatoes. Tunatia viazi vyetu kwenye sufuria na tunaongeza maji. So you make sure that your viazi, even if they are the big size, umezikata to smaller size ndio ziweze kukolea mafuta ndani. So we put in our water. You guys bear with me, bado tabia kutumia containers zimeisha tenye ilikuwa ndani niko nayo. So just bear with me kindly. So we put water and we put salt. Ndio ziive zikiwa na hiyo taste ya salt. So as our potatoes boil, kwa sababu hatutaki ziboil sana ziive sana, we are going to prepare our flour mixture. This is what we do. We start by adding the flour. We add the turmeric. You can either use turmeric or food color, whichever you prefer, and a little bit of salt. So you just mix water. You just add water to make a thick paste. So after getting the consistency that we needed, we are going to add our coriander leaf by leaf. Don't add the whole stalk. So you're just going to use your hands, your clean hands. Then zimeoshwa na zikasanitiziwa to add in the coriander. As I do this, I would like to thank everybody who has been watching our videos, who has subscribed, who has been supporting us. So thank you very much. And in case you are new here, let me tell you, this is the place to be. So ensure that you subscribe and you keep watching. We upload recipe videos each and every Tuesday. We also upload talks on family issues, relationships, love, marriages, and all that each and every Sunday at 3 p.m. And we also entertain you guys. Imagine all that in one channel. So kindly ensure that you subscribe and you tell a friend about our channel. Asanteni sana, tuendelee kupika. So hizi hazitakiwi kuwa nyingi, we are just going to put in kidogo. I think that is enough because we just want the viazi karai to have some green color, yellow color. Yes, I think that is enough. So let us wait for our warus to boil. So we are back and our potatoes ziko ready. Hazijaiva sana. They should not either too much. So what we are going to do, we shall be dipping them in our paste. For paste, alafu kwa mafuta. And I will still use my small kijiko. Ziende huko zikiwa na ziko covered sana in paste. So you keep on turning them. Ndio zishike mafuta kila kona. We turn and wait for them to be ready. So our first bunch is ready. As I show. And you ensure where you store them, kuna kitchen towel or serviette, just to ensure that the oil is well drained. Let us do the second bunch. Okay. Thank you everybody for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to tell a friend about Mackenzie's kitchen. Our viazi karai ziko tayari kabisa, and we are going to take them in tamarind sauce. So just enjoy. So nice.